All right, we'll get you started with the radar as we head to our evening hours this Thursday night. Showers across eastern North Dakota, just crossing the Red River Valley. The dark greens, remember, is where we likely have the rain actually wetting the pavement. Light greens, maybe not all of that reaching the ground. Blue, a little bit of snow mixing in up north. That's where we'll start. Grand Forks seeing some heavier showers passing through town. That's moving into western Polk County down near the Northwood area. We also have some heavier bands of rain into Findlay. And radar showing things cold enough for a few flakes mixing in western Grand Forks and Nelson counties at this hour. Here's a look at the Southern Valley. Very quiet south of Fargo, minus a couple of sprinkles. Most of this not even reaching the ground. But here in northern Cass, out to Valley City, things getting wet. South of Findlay, a couple flakes could be mixing in. Likewise, out in Lakes Country, just a smattering of a light sprinkle activity at best. And here is a look at temperatures. 39 Devils Lake, 33 in Badette right now. It's 10 degrees warmer for you in Fergus Falls. Grand Forks, 37, the current reading on the thermometer out at the airport. Here is a look as we take you through Hector International now with a live look at our web camera out there at the Dakota Magic Casino. 44 degrees at Hector, 39 is what it feels like with a 10-mile-per-hour wind from the east-southeast. So gray. And if you're heading out, you'll want to take your umbrella with you because Fargo, Grand Forks, and Points will have a fairly good chance of seeing passing showers throughout the evening. They could briefly be heavy, but not overly so, and they won't be prolonged. Now, as we head through the overnight hours, we'll focus our attention out in Lakes Country because that's where most of the activity will take place. Some of the rain mixing with changing over to snow. And notice the purple colors here. That could be more intense snowfall. So grassy areas likely picking up some accumulations in Lakes Country as we go through the overnight. By daybreak, though, it's all over. Temperatures in the 20s for some near Lake of the Woods. Otherwise, low to mid 30s across the region. It's going to be a gray day for your Friday as we start things out. And here's a look at temperatures midday. 35 to 40 for almost all locations. It doesn't look like a wet day, but we can't rule out a spotty sprinkle or flurry of snow in our area. Temperatures peaking out in the afternoon, only in the lower 40s for some here in the Southern Valley. 34 to start your morning in Fargo. A northeaster easterly wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Just a gray day, and possibly we could see a spit or sprinkle. That'll be about it. 39 in Roseau, 38 in Detroit Lakes, and again, any rain or snow chances will be most likely in the very early morning hours. Here's some bonus coverage for you because we are going to have a chance of snow, and it's a big deer opener in Minnesota. But the good news is models are more agreeable now that the snow chances are going to be in the central part of the Dakotas. Our westernmost counties may see some. We can't rule out a mixed flake. Expect winds from the southeast or east. They won't be overly strong, but it will be cool and possibly a bit damp at times. Sunday looks drier. How about this perspective of some fog over Fargo? Tajay, thank you for taking the time to send in the morning fog photo. Now your planning forecast. Saturday for tailgaters, chilly. A chance of rain in Fargo, maybe mixing with snow for some, but we just talked about that. Most of the snow chances out to the west. Then we close out the weekend dry and 42 on Saturday. Monday looks like a winter, near 50 with unsettled weather returning midweek.
Near 50 this time of year. That's pretty good.
We'll take it.
Thanks, Hutch.